Bok everyone, common verbs that take the accusative chitati, to read. Chitam kiniku, I'm reading a book. Chitam novine, I'm reading the newspaper. Gledati, to watch. Gledam film, I'm watching a film. Gledam film. Gledam televiziju, I'm watching the television. Slušati, to listen. Slušam, I'm listening. Glazbu, to music. Slušam glazbu. Slušam radio, I'm listening to the radio. The verb plus the direct object is the accusative case. Riba is a feminine noun, but it changes to ribu in the accusative case. Gledam ribu, I'm watching a fish. Glazba, another feminine noun, changes to glazbu. Slušam glazbu, I'm listening to music. Jesti, to eat. Jedem, I'm eating. Jedem ribu, I'm eating fish. Jedem pizzu, I'm eating pizza. Jedem sir, I'm eating cheese. Sir is masculine in the nominative case, and it doesn't change in the accusative case. Cheese stays cheese, and so does kru, bread. Jedem kru, I'm eating bread. Let's go over them. Chitam kiniku, I'm reading a book. Slušam glazbu, I'm listening to music. Gledam film, I'm watching a film. Great job, you've done so well. Remember, the verb plus the direct object is the accusative case. Riba, feminine nouns, no A endings, they get a U ending. Sia, cheese, doesn't change in the accusative case. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe.